So let's just talk about some DAX best practices. For those of you who've watched the previous videos, you notice that I keep all of my measures here in this measures table. That way I know where all my measures are. I could easily click on a different table if I wanted to, and I could click here and create new measure. And what that would do is it would spread my measures across so many of these tables that I'd never be able to find them. I think it's much better to organize the tables like customers and only put slicers in like customer name or region or postal code or something like that in the customers table and keep all the measures together. Now, sometimes the measures explode. You'll see that already in this demo, I've used many measures in the previous videos. But what we could do is create the measures like we could say, here are currency measures over here, and here are counting measures, or here are difference measures. I don't know. There's a lot of different ways of doing that. I just know that you would want to keep your measures together in one or two tables, three tables, rather than spread them across all the other tables that you have in your imports. Now, the way to create a measures table, by the way, is underneath here in the modeling tab, just create new table. And a little DAX comes up. You just call this test, right? Oh, we don't want anything in there. Oh, let's escape that. Okay, once test is there, just this empty one, now here you can just create, new measure. And now we're creating a table that's only for our measures, right? That's really that easy. So anyway, yep, organize your measures. It's a great best practice. Hope that helps you. Thanks.
And finally, this is how you can get a hold of me if you need to. There's my Twitter and my email address, and of course my YouTube channel if you want to subscribe and get more videos on DAX and Power Apps and data engineering and cloud data and other things that interest me. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks. Have a great day.